Hello folks, Peppermint Jim here. Hey, what we're doing today is we're getting equipment ready for our 98th harvest this year, 2009. We're going to be hopefully start cutting tomorrow. The mint is ready. I'll take you down in the mint later on to kind of show you where the blossoms are at and what we're doing. Right now, what we're doing is just like any small producer, we're trying to keep things together. Limited budget, zero budget, obviously with the foreclosure process. But as I was coming down here today, I got to think that this year's harvest, we are going to attribute to each and every one of you, our Crosby Mint Farm supporters, our Get Mint Trading customers and friends, because of the fact that our 98th harvest is only here because of you guys, your support, everything you've been with us for the last 24 months, and we wouldn't have this year if it wasn't for you and supporting your local producer. So it's very crucial to reach out to those folks, and everything that you do, buying their supplies, buying their fruits, vegetables, honey, soap, goods, is a tribute to helping the small producers. So we'll take you in and show you we're being creative. We have to change a tire out for safety's sake, and give you an idea of how creative we have to be. So stay tuned.
Chad texted me on now.
That really nobody else has in this industry that we're stepping and have been out in, is that we're the growers of it, we're the extractors, we're the caretakers, we're the producers, and we're the distributors of our own product that we know that it comes from one place and all the time, and it takes with the intent to produce a good quality oil for people. Stop. So tomorrow, all intents and purposes, we're ready tonight. We got 5 wagons ready, a swather's ready, tires replaced, everything's greased, chopper's greased, and tomorrow will be filling water in the boiler, starting the boiler, get some steam up, see where we're at, and from there we'll cut tomorrow and get 2 days of sun. Hopefully they're talking possible rain Sunday, and if it can just cure out so we can get into it first thing on Monday, that'd be ideal right now. So it will be interesting.